Annyeong, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make shaved ice with melon toppings, 멜론 빙수. Bingsu is a very popular dessert in Korea, especially during the summer. It's composed of ice shavings and various ingredients, such as fruits, nuts, red bean paste, and ice cream. Usually in bingsu shop, they have a fancy machine to shave the ice. But we can buy it and we don't need to buy it. So I prepared a simple way to make bingsu at your home. I'm gonna make bingsu with this melon and reuse the rind as a bowl. Sounds good? Okay, then let's set the table. Okay, you will need melon, milk, and condensed milk. Very simple. And today's special guest is Merona. It's a very famous Korean ice cream. As you expected, it tastes just like melon and the light green color is so pretty. I heard that Merona has been exported to many countries, so if you find it luckily, then I recommend you to use this one as well. But if not, don't worry, it's not a necessary thing. Okay, then let's get started. You need to freeze milk for several hours in advance. In a bowl, pour the milk and add condensed milk. Mix well. Then prepare the plastic bag and pour the milk. Seal the bag and freeze it in the freezer for more than 4 hours. And let's dig the melon. Cut it in half and remove the seeds. After that, dig the melon with melon bowler, like this. Keep them in the dish. This is gonna be a cute garnish. When it's done, remove the juice from the melon. When it's left, it makes ice shavings to melt faster. And keep this rind in the refrigerator for some minutes to make it cool. Then take out the milk bag from the freezer and make crushed using a roller or bottle. Place a melon ball on the plate and add shaved milk ice into it with a spoon. And put Merona into it. Then place the melon balls on the shaved milk ice. You can put 1 scoop of ice on the top as well. Yay, it's done! It's so pretty and smells so fresh. Okay, I gotta eat before it's melting down. Shaved milk ice melts in my mouth and it's much softer than ice flakes. You don't need to chew the hard ice flakes. This one, just gone. Milk and melon combination is so good. It's not only good looking, but also making great taste. It's so fresh and sweet. It's so cool. And once you eat about half of this, mix the marona with bingsu. It maximizes the melon taste. It's amazing. Mix with marona and try this. This is so yummy. Sweet and fresh and sweet and fresh and cool. I can deny this is the coolest dessert in the summer. So good. Today I made melon bingsu. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.